Welcome, friends, to another unboxing video. I just returned from the post office with this package. I have here my trusty little knife, and let's get to it. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's been a time since I did my last unboxing. I'm excited about this package. Let me see. I will open like this. It contains several writing instruments, and I I'm really excited about this. Yeah, of course, you know me. I have to do a mess. I have to ruin the box. Okay, let me see. Okay, so first of all, let's. I will try to. Okay. Okay, lots of wrapping paper. Let me see. So this is just paper, just paper, just paper, paper, and inside. So the seller. I have to read this box. The seller sent me fountain pens like this. So this is the box, guys, and those are the other boxes. One is from a juice, from biscuits, and from milk. Strange way to pack the fountain pens. This is quite strange. Let me see. I think that the pens are in this box, and those are just for securing the box in the center. We will see. Whoa. Whoa, I'm sorry, guys, I hate this stuff. Okay, I think, yes, those are empty juice box and uh, milk box. And yes, the fountain pen must be in this box. Okay, let me open it like this. Yes, they are quite well wrapped in this bubble wrapping. Guys, I'm excited. So, how to do this? Well, you know me. I don't have time. Okay, just read the. Let me push on this side, and maybe they will come out the other side. Whoa, quite well wrapped. So, guys, I'm sorry, guys, but sometimes patience has its virtues, and this is one of the time that. Okay. Okay, come on. Oh, God, almost 5 minutes to present you the fountain pens. But let me. This is a tissue. Okay. First of all, this is a Romanian fountain pen in this pastel color. And I hope you can see, yes, on the end we have Flaro. This fountain pen is made after the 1990s, I think. It is a pressure fit fountain pen with a nice steel nib. Just look at this, quite nice. This is a metallic grip, And let me see the barrel unscrews, and it has this wonderful converter, and I think it can be dismantled. Yes, a wonderful writing instrument. Well, I paid for this writing instrument only 45 lays, or 9 euros, or 11 uh, American dollars. So it is in NOS condition, and I think I did okay with it. So this is the first fountain pen. I will leave it here. Okay, now let's see. This fountain pen is quite a nice looking fountain pen. The rings have corroded. It had 3 rings, but I bought it for this wonderful celluloid. It is a lever filler, a no-name lever filler, and I paid for it 50 lays, 10 euros, or 12 American dollars. Not a large sum of money. You can see that the end of the cap and the clip is missing. And let me unscrew it, and let us see what we have written on the nib. On the nib we have let me see in this lighting. We have Paris and Unique Paris. A wonderful lever filler at a decent price. I simply saw it and I fell in love with this beautiful celluloid. Let's leave this aside. Now let's see what we have next. I think, I'm not so sure, but I think this is a Geha. Let me see, I'm not so sure. Or a Lamy. Yes, it looks like a Lamy with this. And yes, and I think it is a Lamy 27. It should be written on the barrel, but yes, here. No, a Lamy 47. And for this fountain pen, let me zoom on it for you guys to see. I'm sorry for this lighting, guys, but I have to. Let me see if I can zoom on it. Yes, it can. So, I'm sorry, guys. Let me see. Now, I will try to zoom on it. I hate when this happens, guys. Let me see. Maybe if I can change the... I'm sorry, I will change the angle of the camera and then I will return. I'm sorry. I'm back, guys. I've just changed the angle of the camera, and indeed, this is a Lamy, and it is a 47C or 47G. And I think we have also imprinted on it Registrada. Let me show you. So yes, Lamy 47C Registrada, and you can see the ink windows of this fountain pen, quite large, and the cap. I'm not so sure that the cap is original because I don't recognize this logo, this M logo, but on the fountain pen it says Geha. Maybe the cap is from another fountain pen. Well, I paid for this 75 lei, approximately 15 euros, or 18 American dollars. I will leave this aside. Now, guys, let me check. Yes, here, I think, yes, this is a Centropen 3268 and 310. It is a piston filler. It has a screwed-in cap. And interesting, the nib is not from Centropen, it's from Eastern Europe. It has a bear on 2 legs, but those are quite nice nibs. I'm looking at this part. I think this is it might be an ink window, and this, yes, it's a piston filler. Well, I paid for it also 75 lei, approximately 15 euros or 18 American dollars. This is the Centropen. Okay, next, guys, let me see what I have here. Yes, I have uh, a Geha fountain pen. Geha, you can see right here, Geha, made in Germany in this beautiful, beautiful blue color, and it looks like a copy of the Parker 51. I'm quite curious to see the fillings mechanism, and also the filling mechanism. It looks like this. It lacks this part here, and it's not in the barrel, and it lacks the lever. You can see that the sack is quite deformed, but a nice fountain pen. Again, I'm not so sure that this cap is the cap for this body. I will certainly look in the history of Geha to see if this model was ever produced by them. So I paid also 75 lays for this one, or 15 euros, or approximately 18 American dollars. And the last two fountain pens, I have this fountain pen. The brand is Universal, and that's it. It has some teeth marks on the barrel. It has like a jewel here. Okay, let me see. I think it, yes, it unscrews. It has this, whoa, this interesting nib. Just look at it. It is a semi-hooded nib. Quite nice. I like it. Whoa. Nice. And I'm curious to see. I think it's a, no, whoa, nice filling mechanism. It's, yes, it's the type of syringe. You push it and you retract it, and it retracts the ink. Quite nice. And I think this is non-removable, so it is glued into the body. It was like this from the fabric. Quite a nice fountain pen. Well, I paid for this also 75 lei, 15 euros, or I'm sorry, I think it is a little bent here. Oh no, it's just the way it is. Okay, I didn't. Okay, it is okay. So this, yes, I paid also 75 lei, or 15 euros, or 18 American dollars. And the last fountain pen, it is another no-name fountain pen, but I liked this material. I believe it's celluloid, but I'm not so sure. The cap unscrews, and it reveals this nib, inox iridium on it. I'm quite curious to see it. It looks like a new fountain pen, and it's quite strange because I think it unscrews like this. Is not a lever filler. Yes, I've managed to unscrew the body quite. Oh, and this has a quite large ink cartridge, plastic ink cartridge. So I was right. This is a newer fountain pen. It's not vintage like this one. This one is definitely vintage. So, guys, this was my unboxing. Those are my latest acquisition, and I have material to do the reviews. Stay tuned on my channel, because they will all get a review after I properly clean them and the whole box cost me 465 lays, including the shipment. So less than 100 euros, only 95 euros, or 115 American dollars for all these beauties. I'm quite pleased with these acquisitions. They are quite unique fountain pens, diverse fountain pens, and they have a charm to them. I believe that most of them are from the 1960s, 1970s. Maybe this one is a little bit newer. And this is from the 1930s. Guys, this was it. This is my latest unboxing. Wherever you are, I wish you to have a nice day. If you like this unboxing and you want to see reviews of all the new vintage fountain pens, please subscribe to my channel to support my activity. We will see you again at the next episode. Till then, bye bye.